So, hey champions, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. So, in the previous talk, I spoke about freedom, love, joy, happiness. I told that you all are free. It's our nature, right? So, the question arises in the mind that if I am free, if I am happy already, if that is my nature, then what it is left to do in this earth? If I have everything, if I have already reached there, if I am already enlightened, then what is left to do? So, like I said earlier, that everybody is running here and there to become something because the society, the parents, friends, teachers, everybody have conditioned so much that oh, you have to become this, you have to become that, you have to run, you have to chase your dreams. You don't have this, you don't have that. So it never stops. And because of that, there's sense of lack built in us in such a deep way that even if someone tells us you are free, you are champion, you are already there, that doesn't, you know, allow us to feel free. We never get agrees easily. So it's a process. It takes times to reach our nature. Why I said champions? Because you are champion. You all are, everybody is champion. Everyone have everything. So the question arises then, so why I came in this planet Earth? What is there to do? So I'll give you one example. If you have a guitar, like any instrument, very well made guitar, if you have that, do you need anything else to put that, any object to attach to the guitar? No, it's complete. It's a proper instrument. So when the guitar know I am the proper instrument, what he will do? He will express through sound, through music. So when we know we are complete, when we know we are free, then what we have left to do? We'll express our freedom, we'll express our joy, we'll express our love. We'll not do something to get joy and love. We'll do out of joy and love. There is a lot of difference. Doing for love and happiness is completely different than doing with happiness and love. So you need to constant reminder to yourself, oh, I don't have to chase love and joy. I have to become love and joy and do out of it. Then there is charm in you. Then there is beauty in you. Then you shine like a diamond. then no one can stop you from expressing it. And that is what I feel, that is what I believe is the only thing a human being can do. Just express, honestly expressing ourselves, being ourselves. Become true instrument of, people say God or divine. Become complete instruments of the divine or God, or you can call anything, of self. So now you slowly learn, observe yourself, that what's stopping me to expressing myself. It will not happen suddenly. It will take time. You have to be patient. You have to keen observation to yourself. Oh, why I'm not able to express love and happiness? Okay, I identify myself with this, identify myself with that. I think I'm this, I think I'm that. But no, I am free. I'm love. If you constant remind yourself, then slowly you will get. Then one day you don't have to remind yourself. Then it's become part of you. In the beginning you have to do that effort. Then it becomes effortless. Then it just happens through you. So spirituality is very simple. We make it complicated. So all the champions, just express, honestly express. That is spirituality. Thank you.